we bring to you the best of the best. Live in the UK right here, we got 2 artists here on a promotional tour. If you heard the singles before, Kyodi single, what we nice and so we go on, shelling on the UK for a couple of months now. And also there's a new act here as well, Candy Price. I've seen her, lovely vocals, and she's here with us this evening. Good evening to you. Candy Price, welcome to the show. Coyote, big up yourself.
Yeah, mad love, yeah.
Buddy.
See, and thank you very much for forwarding to the Upnlive show, Give thanks for the strength. What's the occasion for in the UK? Why go on? Why go on? Why not there?
You want to tell him or me to tell him?
Tell them, killer.
Yeah, so at the big bad show, Island Vibes.
Yes.
Yeah, no joke. Fully promoted by Job Top, Jojo Million. Yeah. And the best of the best, I got there,
When is the show?
It's going to be the 20th of November at City.
This Saturday, man.
This Saturday coming here. And it's going to be, is it London or I know it's
in Birmingham.
Obviously.
Yeah, it's in Birmingham.
Make sure you're early, man.
Of
yeah,
course.
early. Make sure you come out early because the performance, them are not normal. I'm a bad bro right here, so
Yeah.
authentic, little vibe.
Invasion.
Blugo.
Yeah, Bugle.
Blugo.
Yeah,
Blugo. Big up Flight Blugo.
Big up Flight Blugo, no joke about that.
Yeah.
Really,
With General,
mad
he's
love.
passed through the show as well. Big up
Good
yourself.
youth,
Of course. All right, let's start it this way. Candy Price, I've only seen you recently, obviously. Your music has been there before. Give us a little synopsis of yourself and your career before reaching into England.
Yeah, basically before that, I entered the Magnum Kings and Queens. That's like a big dancehall show in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So I entered that show, and it does show that I'm ready to be in front of thousands of people.
Exactly. And I've been following your journey over the last couple of weeks, and I realized that we share similar sentiments because I've seen you connecting with some people from my city. I'm from Ochi. Are you from Ochi?
No, I'm not I'm from Kingston.
You're from Kingston?
Yeah.
But somehow I keep seeing you on the Ochi vloggers page. So is it a special connection with St. Ann City or is it just?
No, it's just a special connection with Jamaica in general when it comes on to Candy Price and Candy Price music. You know what I mean? You can be in one of the darkest corners them and listen to a song and come out of it. You know what I mean? Like, yeah we have the motivational stuff there. Likewise, we are fully bad girl because we fully say Gaza, you know the thing go.
That's what I see because I realize there's 2 elements to Candy Price.
Yeah.
But my preferred side, I like when you sing.
Yeah, I love when I sing too as well.
Because I heard some of the tracks earlier today I was vibing to in my car driving and the dancer, so I say, okay, bars, she had chop, she had all the heavy metal stuff. But then a track came in and the gentleman I was driving in the car with looked to me and said, is that she? The singing song came on. So you were singing and it was a total different person, different energy. How do you transform from one way of delivery to our next? Is it something that you have to channel yourself into say, all right, listen, I'm going to be doing this type of songs now? How does it work
basically for you? That, yeah. So it depends on how you feel, you know what I mean, at the time, if you feel a certain type of way, like when we do take a hold, but they just really want everything for you happen. You get what I say? I just want it for your work. I really just want to take a hold of my life. I really want everybody else to see that. You get what I say? And then by putting out the song, everybody else see it, and then people just love it. And I say, oh, your message is normal. Love the message. Love it just give it's a morning vibe. As I wake up, I can get up to this and feel very motivated to just take on the road,
Of course. I love that.
Right.
Obviously, in the shot.
Yeah, let me just pitch a little quick question to Coyote. Like, I realize say it's a different movement in Jamaica in terms of the young talent who are rising in the business. What is the current climate with different camps and faction? Because I see a lot of young artists move to the forefront, but I don't see a lot of collabs. Why is that?
Well, collab go on, man. You see, probably not on my behalf still, but I don't know. Everything does take time, you see it. Me actually even have a collab. I forward soon when it me and high water. I forward soon, you see it. And me have only more, just time as I say, you see it.
So we know that you break out with the breakaway song When Me Nice. So how did you come by singing a song like that? It was a actual drinking experience or a smoking high experience for formulate those kind of words?
Well, it's not a one day experience, you see it. I just want to stay overall, you see it, because anytime at all I'm nice or something actually go on, every time I'm nice, you see it.
Yeah, because like a lot of people listen to the song, But if you really listen to the words of the song, you realize that this song is kind of deep. It's talking a whole heap of things are talking at the song.
Yeah.
Where you have to say like, Jano, when people nice are really so them go on, you know.
Never lie. Never.
Exactly. So we by earlier I started out with Candy Price. Obviously the intention was to get to Kyodi. He's more known. The whole UK has probably heard your single, if I'm not lying. Everybody on the dancehall scene. Obviously, living up to the name, reaching into the UK. Is this your first time here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
first time actually traveling.
First time you're traveling.
Yeah.
So how do you? Was it what you expected coming into to UK?
Well, me I expect say me just go on a new voyage, as it meet some different set of people, different culture, everything, as it. Me just kind of anxious still, cause as I tell you, me never yet travel. Me did even kind of nervous on the plane, cause you know, until the night before I watch a plane show, you know. Yeah.
Wrong move. Wrong move.
Yeah, but a nice experience, man. I not tell like big up the whole UK settings,
you
mad.
You performed there since you reached, right?
Yeah.
What's the reception?
Oh gosh, man, people them come like no I'm a cut, man. And me no want cut neither.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So in terms of the culture of here in Jamaica, do you find it much different in terms of the people you are around, or it's similar vibe?
Yeah, much different. Much different. Cause for example, me all walk past and see a lot of scooter and anything they park up. Me say that if I dey Jamaica that stay there so.
Like God.
Yes, it. Yeah, more discipline and everything still, yes it, but they don't know. Mm-hmm.
Was you actually surprised when you come here and you actually see that most of the police in the United Kingdom do not travel with a firearm? Or you don't notice
you know,
that?
so me never take notice?
Yeah.
Never take notice for tell you the truth.
Of course.
But you can't go to Jamaica though.
You can't, no.
Yeah,
Jamaica different
no.
city. Where exactly in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston, Jamaica, Manning Road, Big Yard, Yepa.
Okay. The reason why I ask you this because obviously we live in UK, so we're not really connected as much as how we can to the Jamaican dancehall street and knowing the fractions. You're very affiliated, in my point of view, like to the Spanish Town music. I'm talking most likely to governor side, like the fourth gen. Are you a part of the fourth generation camp or because I've seen some things online? So
yeah, fourth gen / alien mob.
You're part of the fourth gen?
Yeah, / alien mob.
Okay, so what was your first connection with it? Was it by governor or is it by Diddy Donia? How did the connection go?
You know, say actually from primary school, I know what I do. Him look a cousin and me used to go to the same school as he. Him first came up and me and introduced me to him. Then now me have a next big cousin by the name of Jeremy, and see that him actually cement it off and make him know see your because in my big cousin and Donia used to go Meadowbrook.
Okay.
You see it, so come the link start connect now till Donia start come at Big Yard and everything, you see it.
Okay, so Big Yard is where the connection actually was made.
Yeah, that really cement everything.
So do they have any significant part in your career of getting that breakaway song?
Yeah, I do wanna give me the rhythm.
Him give the rhythm?
Yeah, and him tell me, him actually give me a motivation to come tell me say, I can literally remember him say, if you don't find it now, it don't make no sense. I'm kind of glad, it kind of put a pressure upon me, but I kind of respect that, you see it, because probably if him never tell me that, but I just feel like it's the next release.
That's the next one.
Get away.
And get away with any song.
Yeah.
Obviously, that makes sense. And we're here promoting the show that's going to be this coming Saturday.
Terrible piece of show, man.
Yes, and what can people expect if they come out to buy the ticket? What can they expect from a Kyodi and a Candy Price?
Then feel like Candy nice. Tune in.
Mad energy.
Of course. And while the people that's looking now, watching now, obviously the time is against us. You guys have a very tight schedule, and we're grateful for you being here. Obviously, people who I want for all the show in a two minds. So should I buy a ticket? Should I really take the motorway? Can we just give them a little energy of what's really going to happen on the night with a little, a little few minutes or one little whatever. You know it go. This is an Upnlive show. We just drop some song and we just hold a little vibe. Make sense? Ready for it?
Ready.
Okay, let's go.
Right? Dead. What's your style then?
Me pass bad, lyrically fast bad. Them not in a weak class bad, not up to we standard. Some say price gone mad, but lyrics me and not them with. I know no normal, a regular me change. Tell them no bad like me hairstyle. Flow them, be a kind. Direct no cable style, no king around the table style. Me win them in a fine style. The people off your hugs due to that no up fine style. Hey Birmingham, watch a style. Them Marina and Clarks. Bad girl sitting like camp off. Bad girl sitting like third world cup. Bad girl sitting like Gaza. Black a bad girl sitting. I'ma do it for me heart. Say bad girl. Hey Kyodi, how you go?
You see a Birmingham? I win.
The 20 man, Saturday man, this
Alright,
Saturday man.
And got me Roma Remy Martin, but me never left it all thing. No drop me girl when me nice, me even more brawling. Even more if you bust your face right in front of darling. Then squeeze her pussy and see if it tighter than a girl. Give it to me drink a morning. Greens like me the farming get higher than the plane. We left Jamaica figure foreign, yeah. Sleep at the fuck a good lead cause global warming, yeah. Oh, go again. Alright then, Birmingham, make sure you're early fam.
Yeah.
I forget a girl, you know. I forget.
Watch it, no man. Birmingham, remember, you got to be there. You got to be there for see this. So if you're not there, you're not going to see, right? You know, watch your style there. Oh, me pass bad. If we call the fast bad, them you know we class bad. Now up to we standard. Some say price gone mad, but lyrics say we are not the win. And no earn no mad regular me change style. Them no bad like me ear style. Flow them, be a Kyle. Lyric no cable stand, the king around the table style. Win them in the fine style. Watch your style there.
Badging of them there.
Time again?
See, the stage is yours, you know what? We not fight people.
You see me on Candy Price at Birmingham?
Yeah.
We are going nice. But me tell you why. Hey, so we go on. We so clean and we so bad, so look so fly and even travel. Girl them clean us like a madly. Yeah, we up tell me some mad, we not ready for no coffee. What's we up and things are happen. Just see that them off shop, me not Manhattan. Candy Price a DJ, stop it talking. Baby, tell your man you no want him. Champion, I'm here, Remy man. Hey, Candy Price, hey, pop off the beef, make load mountain jump. Price just a flick, must it stunt. Yeah, she do anything where she feel like must it jump.
I watch your style, yeah. London. Hey, tell them it's the price time, it's the right time. Traveling a fine style, what's the flight time? Friend them expensive like fine wine. And we shine bright, so watch your eyesight. Do we ever bowl and we never get shy? Joe Bumbo Claude, you do the did right. Then we got the flu and we kill them with style. Link up Kyodi. Hey, tell them say, Adiabi. Daddy
Lyrics are dropped.
they're dead.
Man.
20, Birmingham, City Centre, nothing no man. Please
Saturday. And where can people get tickets for the show?
Shoes.com.
Everything on Shubs.
Shoes.com, everything on shoes.com. Or you go and link the call, the numbers and the flyers.
Simple.
Yeah?
Alright, and I want to thank you guys very much for passing through. Candy Price, can you give us some social media names or we can find you online?
It's Candy Price on every digital platform. Candy Price official underscore Candy Price on the Instagram.
Of course. Thank you very much for making the Upnlive show. Kyodi Badgena, one. All the stay, the socials there.
Cool man, Kyodi Badgena, you see it? KYODIBADGENNA. That are the only thing news right now. Instagram.
See? Everything connect. Of course. Thank you very much for joining us. So people stick and stay Upnlive show. We're going to be having a conversation shortly after this. Candy Price and Kyodi Badgena is here. And I've been just told that the conversation this evening is not going to be happening. So if you're watching whatever on your smartphone, go over to our YouTube channel. We're at Upnlive show. And if you're on the website, www.tgmradio.co.uk, make sure you keep it locked for each and every Tuesday night at 9 p.m. We go live here for the Upnlive show. Peace. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Upnlive show, Dragon All-Star, Little Bit on Rasta, Fire Q. This has been an excellent show and I love it. Dragon, any last words?
The thing going, I was going to say every week, love your brother, love your sister, love ruling everything you do. I want to read a book in them, say brain power is the main power. Until next week, people live with that one, you know that one, your anthem, so. But just do the right thing, no?
Hey, Upnlive, IG, UB, more time I pray.